Hi, this is Prashant Chandrasekharan. Currently, I am working as a database administrator for MySQL, MS SQL, and Oracle. Yeah, I created this channel to share knowledge about the database administration. Yeah, in this video, I am going to explain about the basic Linux commands. I will give the demo also. In upcoming videos, I will start about the database administration for MySQL, MS SQL, and Oracle also. First, I will start for MySQL with the basics. In this video, I'm going to explain about the Linux commands. I prepared a document also. These are the Linux commands actually. Uh, I have one machine also to explain that. I have one Linux machine for that. So first command is ls. What this command will do is it will list on all the files folder in the current directory in the Linux server. Linux server means the Ubuntu CentOS server. My server is CentOS server. So if I run this command ls, it will list down all the files folders in the current directory where we are. So I am running this command ls. So it will list the files and folder. This is file, this is folder, this is packages. I installed MySQL actually in this server, so that will be there. So this is the first command ls. It will list all the files and folder in the current directory. Next one is ls-a. If we run this command, it will list down all the files with hidden files also. If we have any hidden files, that will be there. That also we can able to see while running this command ls-a. How we can find that hidden file is it will start with dot. These all are the hidden files actually. We can view this file also. For that we have other command. It will come later actually. Yeah, any files or folder start with dot, that is hidden files. To see the to see all the files with hidden files, you need to run this command. It will show all the files folders, also it will show the hidden files also. So if we want to create one hidden file, we need to create one file. Touch command, using this command we can create any file, text file or SQL file, anything we can create. Touch, and then we need to give any file name. I am giving like test. To create a hidden file, we need to give dot before. So the file is created. I am running this command ls only. I am explained. So I am running ls command. It will not show the hidden file. To see the hidden file, I need to run ls-a. So now we are able to see the hidden file what we created. Two files are there actually. I created a hidden file already. So both we are able to see now. So this is the second command ls-a. Next command is ls-lrth. If we run this command, it will show all the files and folder in the current directory in human readable format. Size also it will show. If we run ls command, we are not able to see the size of the file actually. If we run ls-lrth, it will show all the files with size 1.4 kb. In ls, lot of commands are there actually. I am using this command to see all the files and folders with the clear details. 1.4 kb, 11 kb. This is byte actually, 486 byte. So this is the command. ls-lrth command is used to see the files and folders in the current directory with human readable format, proper format size also we can see easily. So next command is copy command. Yeah, using this command we can copy file from one directory to other directory. But before that we need to learn this command actually, pwd. Yeah, if we run this command, we can find the current directory where we are in which directory, that will we will find using this command pwd, present working directory. So we are in root directory currently. Yeah, if we are in other directory it will show, like if I am, for example, if I am in slash root prasant directory, it will show like slash root slash prasant. So see the current directory, the present working directory, we need to run this command pwd. Yeah, next command is this one, we can go next actually, mkdir. If we want to create any new directory, we need to run this command mkdir any directory name. So I am running this command mkdir. I am creating one folder like Sachin. So the directory is created. So I am ls-lrth. It will show in the human readable format. Directory is created. So if we want to create any new directory, we need to run this command mkdir and directory name. This is the command. So touch command already I explained. To create a file, text file or SQL file, we need to run touch. Then file name we need to run. Yeah, next command, like if we want to go to that directory, I created one directory, right, Prashant, inside root. If we want to go inside that directory, I need to run this command cd. I'm in root directory currently, Sachin directory, I need to go root Sachin. So I can run this command, I am in root Sachin directory. So to go inside any other directory we need to use cd. So next command is cd double colon double dot. This command will come back from one directory back, it will come actually. Yeah, so currently we are in slash root Sachin directory. So if I am running cd double dot, it will come to the slash root directory, cd double dot. And again we need to run the pwd command. One more thing is, like if we run any command, then it will say in the background actually. So if we click up arrow, command what we have run previously, that will come. So we can use up arrow like this actually. So pwd, I am in root directory. So this command is used to go one directory back actually. Yeah, then if we run this command, two directory back it will go actually. So currently we are in root directory. First I am going to search in directory pwd. I'm just verifying cd, that simple I'm giving pwd. One directory only back coming because this is the first directory actually. So to check this we need to create one more directory inside Sachin directory, cd Sachin mkdir test I'm creating. So I am running that command again. See, I am in root directory. Two directory back it came actually. Yeah. So this command is used to came back from two directory back we can come. So mkdir we already seen. Then like copy command is there. Then move command is there. Before that, if we want to remove any directory, we need to run this command rmdir. Then directory name we need to give. Now I am going to remove one directory. So which one I can remove? Inside Sachin I created one directory. Let's say from lrth test I am removing rmdir test. This directory is removed now. Yeah. So rmdir used to remove the directory. So next one is this one we missed already, copy command. If we want to create if we want to copy any directory from one place to another place, we can use this command, keep cp-r directory name, then destination also we need to give. What I am doing is I am in root directory now. So inside this I have one folder like Prashant. So I am copy cp-r that directory to /root searching. So now this folder is copied to the root searching directory. So I need to go this directory cd searching ls-lrth. Now that directory is copied to the this directory actually, but this directory will be there in that root directory also. So like this we need to copy the folder. Now I am removing this file rmdir. It's showing like failed to remove the directory. rm-rf also we can use. So the file is removed now. Same command like move command also there, mv. Previously what I did is I copied Prasan directory to the searching directory, but that directory will be there here also, that directory will be there. So to move this file, move this folder to that searching folder, that is the next command actually, move file also we can move, mv file name then folder name we need to give. So we can try the file name actually, test1 file is there, so we can move that file to that directory, text3 searching. Now that file is moved to searching directory. Like this we need to move the files from one directory to another directory. I am verifying text3 file is moved to searching directory. So till now we seen this command ls list the files, then hidden files, list all the files and folder with human readable format, copying the file folder from one directory to another directory, move the files or folder from one directory to another directory. Pwd is used to get the present working directory. Currently we are in which directory, that one we can find using this command, linux command mkdir. We need to create used to create a new directory. rmdir used to remove a directory. This touch command is used to create a file. Next one is like this one is used to truncate a file. I mean, if we are having one file, inside that file we have some datas, like I'm creating one file test3. Inside that now I'm explaining how to create a file actually. Vi test, if we give insert, we can, if we give I, then we can insert anything in this file. So I am inserting something. Now data is inserted. Now escape colon wq we need to run. That means this file data will be stored in this file. Now I am checking that file. To view the data we can run cat test3. That data is there or not, that we can check, or else we can run less command. Like this we can view the data. This is how we can create a file and view the data inside that file in linux. To truncate that data, we need to we need to give like greater than symbol and that file name test3, enter. Now data will not be there because we have truncated. Yeah, this command is used to truncate a record from the file in Linux. Yeah, cd command we already seen. To go inside any other directory, we need to give cd, that folder name, complete folder name. We need to give cd double dot will command will use to come outside from one directory back we can come. This command is used to come from two directory back. So vi already we seen, vi that file name we need to give, then we need to enter our records, then escape colon wq to save that data. Cat also we already seen. Less also we already seen how we can view the data that we can. For that we can use this command. Next is ifconfig and ipconfig. Yeah, these two commands are used to get the IP of the server, Linux server, Ubuntu or CentOS. This is CentOS actually. So if we want to find the IP of this server, we need to run ifconfig. Yeah, this is the IP actually 192. This one is the IP actually. Yeah, to view the ifconfig, ipconfig also we can run, but ipconfig is not there in my machine actually. So if we want to install that, it will take time. So these two commands we can use to get the IP of the Linux server. So hostname hyphen I. This one also give the IP of the server. We can check that. Yeah, IP we are able to see. Yeah, hostname. Now hostname. If we run hostname, yeah, this will give the localhost local admin details, the server details actually, device details. And next one is, actually my commands are not there in proper format actually. Yeah, one more command is there to find the Linux version actually. That will come later, I think. We can go from this command actually. Head and tail. Head command is used to view the first 10 lines. If we run like a head and that file name, it will show 10 lines of starting 10 lines from any file. If we run like this, it will show the first 5 lines. It will understand if I am explaining here. I am now in such a directory. I think some records are there in this file. So I am running like head, then that file name. It will show the 10 lines, starting 10 lines. I mean that file starting 10 lines. It will show. If we want to see only 5 lines, then we need to run this command head hyphen n 5. Yeah, this one will show only first 5 line. It will show. If we want to see 3 line, then we need to give 3 lines. Yeah, this is the use of the head command actually. Tail command also same, but from the bottom line it will show. From the bottom 10 lines it will show in the inside the file. We can run like tail, from bottom to up it will show 10 lines. Tail hyphen n 5 I am giving 5 lines. It will show from the bottom to up. Yeah, this is the tail command actually. Yeah, next command is like chmod. I mean chmod 77 means read execute and writable. Read write execute actually. Yeah, if we run this command, file name we need to give, then that file will be read, write, execute. All these three permission that file is having. I mean, if we run this command, that file will get all three read, write, and execute permissions actually. Then this one also we can separately queue read, write, execute. Separately also we can queue for any users. This is the command actually. Yeah, now we can try to queue read, write, and execute permission to that file chmod 777. Read, write, execute. All the things are read, write, and execute. User group, everything is read, write, and execute permission it's having. If we want one another command is there, chmod plus x also we can give chmod plus x that file name. This one also will give actually uh, all three permission it will give read, write, and execute. Already it's having all three permission. Only read permission also we can give, write also we can give using this command. Yeah, ch1. This one is used to give the ownership for any file. Like um, I'm little bit only explaining about this command actually. Ch1 hyphen r. If I'm giving MySQL permission means MySQL that file name. Now this file will get MySQL permission, MySQL ownership actually. Like this we need to give the ownership for the file files or folder. If I am giving any folder name, inside that lot of files will be there, right? That files also will get this ownership. But right now I given ownership for particular file actually. Yeah. Yeah, next one like tar. If we want to archive any files, archive means zip file, we need to run this command tar -c/zvh. Untar any files, I mean any zip file, tar zip file we need to unzip, then we need to run this command tar is c/vf that file name, and in which folder we want that file, unzip file. This one gzip is used to zip the file. If we want to zip any file, zip means compress. We need to run gzip, then that file name. Yeah, next command is like top. If we run this command, we can see the load average of this server. Currently there is no load. What are the things currently running? Everything we will get. MySQL is running in this server actually. I installed already. All the process it's showing there. Mostly we use this command to get the load average. One more command is there, that is w. This one also will give the load average. Yeah, but in top command all the process it will show what are the process currently running, that it will show here using the top command. Yeah, ps-ef grep-mysqld. This one like we can find a particular process that is running or not, that we can find using this command ps-ef, then grep-i, then process name we need to give. uh, which one I can ps-ef grep-i. This one I am running. While I am running this, we will get a process id also. Using this process id, if we want to kill that process, we need to run like kill -9, then that id we need to give. Means that process will be killed. So kill -9 that id what we are getting there while running ps-f grep then process name. Yeah, next command is like uptime. If we run uptime command, we can find last restart of this Linux server. I'm running uptime 46 minutes ago actually. Last restart of this machine. This is the time actually. Actually, this machine timing is different actually. That's why my current time and this time is not matching actually. So uptime is used to find the last restart of the Linux machine. Who am I? Using this command who am I, we can find the current username which I have logged in using root user only. I logged in actually, so it is showing like root. Who am I? So next one is free. Using free command, we can find the current available memory and total memory. Everything we can see. If we want to see those details in MP format, then we need to run free-m. So in MB it will show total size used, currently shared, free, shared, everything is showing available. If we want to see these details in GB, then I need to run free-g. So this will be better for me. 15 GB RAM. This one is 15 GB RAM. In this 14 GB is free actually. I installed MySQL actually 7 GB swap. I already installed MySQL. Maybe that one taking 1 GB. So free like this we need to use the free command to get the memory details, RAM size and usage. To find the number of cores in this Linux server, we need to run this command nproc processor. Four processor core both are same only. So four cores are there in this machine. So nproc. If I want to clear this details LEAR in this terminal, if I run this command, all the details will be clear. Next one is like history command is there. This one now only it came to my mind actually history. So we can find all the commands which I have executed previously. History. If we want to find any particular command, then the grep command we can use actually. History grep hyphen I. I want to see any history command related to MySQL. If I can type MySQL, all the commands related to MySQL will come. So all the details are coming. Like this we need to grep actually commands. We can find the Linux commands also. If we forgot any Linux commands, but we executed previously, that will be there. We can find using the history command. All the MySQL commands I am able to see now. So this is the use of history command. Clear, I have already seen. Next one is like ssh command. Using ssh command, we can able to log in any servers. Maybe if I want to log in any other servers from here, that will be different IP. So ssh with username and that IP I need to give ssh. Then currently I don't have any server, only one server I am having. So like this we need to log in ssh root at that IP. Sometimes if different port is there means that port also we need to give. Next one is scp command. If we want to copy any file from one place to another place, I mean one directory to another directory or one server to another server. If we want to copy scp files or folders from one server to another server, port need to be open double to port from this server to that server. So source to destination server. To check that, we need to run this command ssh that IP and username and IP. That server will be accessible from here. Then only we are able to ACP files from the server to that destination server. ACP-R file name, then username and IP of the destination server colon, then folder name also we can give. Yeah, like this we need to ACP the file or folder from one server to other server. Same server also we can do. Uh, Next one is like W command we already seen to check the load of the server. Next command is like echo. If we this command mostly we will use in the shell script. So echo um, echo command will use to print the text message like this one will it will print in the next line. So I am printing that line in that text in next line using echo command. Use of the echo command is this one only actually. Yeah, current status of MySQL. If you want to see the current status of MySQL, service MySQL d status. Yeah, like this we need to see the status. If any other process details we need to see, then we need to run that process name, service, that process name and status. Like this we can see currently the process is running or not. To stop that we need to run stop instead of status. Restart also, restart instead of status we need to give restart. Yeah, next command is like wget. If we want to download any package in the server, if we have internet present in this server means we can download using wget. Just we need to give wget and that package name. It will it will download it automatically in the server. To find internet is available or not in the server, you need to run ping google.com. If result is coming like this means we are having internet in this server. So we are having internet. If we want to download any package, then we need to run that command wget that package name. Yeah, next command is like man command will give the details. I mean, if we want to see what are the options present for the ls command, then I think man ls we need to run, I think. Yeah, this will give all the options present for ls command. Details also it will show. Every option it will show. I explained only two commands for ls actually. That is enough, I think. If you want to learn all the options, then we can find from here. Like this, we can get the details option for all the commands, Linux commands actually using man. Yeah, next one is like yeah, this is the command used to get the version detail of the Linux. My machine Linux version or it is CentOS. I think it is CentOS actually. So it will show the details CentOS Linux version 7. CentOS 7 this one is. So to get the Linux version detail we need to run this command. Yeah, next one is like diff. If we want to differentiate two files, then we need to run this command. I mean, we are having two files, file 1 and file 2. In both files we are having some records, but some difference is there. To find that difference we need to run this command diff file 1 and file 2. Next one is like password we can see later. More command, more also like same less and cat command to view the file. This one also will give the result of that file actually. More command. Next one is like cron tab. Yeah, this is mainly used to schedule a job or if we want to schedule any shell script which we need to execute every day or weekly, those things we can schedule using the cron tab actually. I think cron tab is not there. Currently I'm not scheduled any cron tab. So if I want to schedule any cron tab jobs, then cron tab hyphen e I need to give. Here I can schedule a job like cron tab commands. Yeah, cron tab we can schedule like this actually. This one is timing, then how many times, then that file name. Yeah, I can attach this one. I don't have much time actually, so I will share this link in the description. You can see about a cron. Mostly cron tab is used to settle a job every day or 5 minutes. Alert also we can schedule. DB alerts, Linux alerts, everything. Cron tab hyphen e we need to give. Inside that we can schedule a job. Then escape colon WQ. Then again if I run cron tab hyphen l, it will show what are the things we have scheduled in the inside the cron tab. Yeah, like this we need to schedule a jobs in cron tab. So user add. So I'm going to add one user, Linux user called Sachin. Yeah, I added a user. Using this command we can add any Linux users. I mean I logged in this server using root user actually. So Sachin now I created. Then this is not required. Just I need to run this command. Fill ask for password. You need to give the password. Yeah, now that user is created successfully. Now I am logging that same server using that newly created user. Yeah, now I am able to log in the same server with such a user. Yeah, like this we need to add a user in Linux server. To delete a user we need to run like this command sudo user del, then Vivek or any user we want to remove, that username we need to give. Next one is sudo. If we want to go inside root directory, we need to go as a root directory means then sudo su or sudo that root username. Root means root, admin means admin, both are same only. Yeah, like this we need to go inside sudo. Already I'm in root user only, so this is not required. Next one is ping. This one already explained. RPM. If we want to download any RPM packages, then we need to run this command rpm-ivh, that package name. This one also same. This command we need to run. This one is for Ubuntu. This one also to install the packages like MySQL or any other packages, Java. Yeah, next command is like date. We want to find the date of the server date, current date of the server. We need to run this. In the server, timing is this one only currently. Monday, July 8, 12:41. Yeah, like this we need to find date of the server. Next one is df-h. Using this command, we can find the disk details actually. These are the partition currently available: /dev shm boot slash. This one is root home. Everything is showing. Size in GB it's showing. used then available. All the disk details we can find using df-h command. Yeah, next command is like du-sh. Currently I am in searching directory. On directory backside I'm coming. Du-sh. It will show the complete size of this directory. It will calculate the size of all the files and folders present in the current directory. It will give the total size of the folder, current folder. Du-sh. Next command is like du-sh star. It will show the size of all the files, but this one is not total size, separate file size 4.0 KB. If we want to see particular file name size, then that file name you need to give. This one is 0. You can go inside search in directory. Test3 is there, so 4.0 KB. Yeah, like this we need to find the size of the particular file. du-sh star. Yeah, few commands I think I missed. These commands, mostly these commands will be useful for DBA or MySQL or Oracle DBA. I will go one more time. ls, it will list all the files and folders present in the current directory. ls-a, it will show the hidden files. ls-lrth, this one will show all the files and folders in human readable format. Then copy, this one is used to copy a file or folder from one directory to another directory. mb also same, but it will move the file from source to destination. pwd will show the present working directory. I mean, currently we are in which directory, that we will find using this command. mkdir is used to making a new directory. rmdir is used to remove a directory. rm-rf or file name if we give, we can remove a file. That one is not there. While uploading this video in YouTube, I will share, I will add that details in this document. Touch command, if we want to create any file, you need to run this touch and file name you need to give. It will create a file. If we want to add any data in that file, we need to give pi, then that file name, then we can enter a data there. It's in Windows, like we will create a notepad, then there we can enter a data, then we can save that file. Like that we will do in the Windows. In Linux we need to run everything in command formats. For that only we need to know these commands actually. Yeah, touch. Then if we want to truncate data from the particular file, then we need to run this command greater than and that file name. Yeah, next is cd command. If we want to go inside any directory, then we need to run cd that directory name. Cd dot, this one will use to one directory back we can come if we using this command. If we use this command, we can come to directory back. Yeah, vi already I explained. If we want to create any file and we need to enter any record inside that file, then we need to view like this vi, then file name, we can enter a data. Then before that we need to click a I button, then only it will insert a record. Then escape colon wq to save that. Yeah, next one is like cat file name less file name. These two commands are used to get the details, what are the records present inside that file. Those details we can get using this command. ipconfig, ifconfig. These commands are used to get the IP of the Linux server. Hostname -i. This one also give the server IP. Hostname will give the device detail. Head command will give the data present inside any file, but from the top, if we want to see first five line, then we need to give like this 5. 3 means 3. Tail also same, but it will give the data from the bottom. chmod is used to give the permission for any file or folder. ch1 is used to give the ownership for any file or folder. tar command is used to unzip any tar file. Yeah, gzip file is used to zip any file. Any big file is there means we can zip that file. I mean, then if we zip that file, that size will be low now. Size will be low, then we will get some disk space also. Top command will use to get the load. Then what are the process running inside the Linux server? Those details we can get. ps-ef grep, we can find any. We need to find any particular process is running or not in this server. Those details we can get. To kill any particular process, we need to kill that process id. Next is uptime. We can find use uptime. We can find the last restart of the server using this command. Who am I will give the current login user. Free is used to get the memory details. Currently available memory, used memory, every details we can get in gp and mp. Also nproc will give the details about the number of processor cores available in the database, cores available in the Linux server. Clear, it will clear the terminal. ssh, if we want to log in any Linux server using ssh, then we need to use this command. SCP is used to copy a file from one place to another place, like one server to other server, or same server, one directory to other directory. W command is used to get a load of the server. Echo command is used to print any text. Wget, download any packages. Man, this one will give all the option of the Linux commands which you want to see. This one will give the version of the Linux server. Diff command is used to differentiate two files. More also like same less and cat command. Cron tab is used to schedule a job or a shell script inside that. To adding a user, we need to run these commands. After adding the user, we can able to log in the Linux server using that user, newly created user. Ping command is used to get if internet is available or not, that detail we can get using this command, ping command. rpm, m and apt, these all commands are used to install any new package. dpkg also same only, but this one is for ubuntu. Yeah, if we run date command, we can get the current date of the Linux server, date, time, everything. Then df-h is used to get the disk related details, available disk, use disk, percentage also it will show in percentage. This one is used to get the particular folder total size. Separate size also we can find using this command du-sh or du-sh, that file name. Yeah, that's all. I think this command will be useful for the beginners who is going to learning MySQL. Thank you everyone. I will upload about MySQL in next videos. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.